how to replace a Bosch damper control and save money. Hello folks. Do you have a refrigerator that rattles and makes a noise? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the damper control valve, which is the cause of this problem. This is a Bosch refrigerator. We know it's a Bosch refrigerator because it says Bosch back here and Bosch over here. So what we're going to do is remove this cover, and then there's another panel on the inside that's held in by 2 screws. This cover is held in by a clip on this side and one on that side. The 2 screws just hold the housing here, and that will expose the damper control valve. Okay, I've loosened those 2 clips. The cover comes off, and you can see the damper control valve opening and closing. Back here, there's a screw here and another screw over here. I'm going to loosen, and you can see the valve opening and closing, and you can hear the noise that the motor is making. Undoing the screws. There's one. There's 2, and the panel comes off. You can see the damper control valve, the motor. Okay, here's the motor. It's operating seemingly, and you can hear the noise that it's making. And that's an indication that the motor is got some sort of problem. It's about to fail. This unit's been in here about 10 years, so we're going to take it out and replace it. To replace it is relatively easy. Alright, we're going to disconnect the motor. Press it in. Disconnect the electrical connection, and now you're ready to remove the unit itself. To do that, you need a flathead screwdriver, a little clip on one side. Use a flathead screwdriver here, on the other side, and this comes right out. Here we have our 2 units, one side by side. This is the one I've removed. This is the one I'm going to put in. Seemingly identical units, and both made in China. So I'm going to replace it and just reverse the process that I did when I took the old one out. We'll see if it works, which I think it will, and then stick around for the really interesting part of this video. This is the unit I removed from the refrigerator. There's no Bosch logo or part number on it. What there is a part number, W10594329. This unit is made in China. So I contacted Bosch to find out what their part number is, since I can't find a schematic that indicates what this part number is for this unit. I was told that the part number from Bosch is 00798467, and that this part number is a Whirlpool part number, and it's not made for a Bosch system. Once I had the part number from Bosch, I went to Amazon to look it up to see if I can buy it. There's the unit. It looks just like what I took out. There's the price. $299. However, I'm a Prime member, so I get free shipping. What a deal. I then went to Speedy Appliance Parts to look up the number of the unit that I took out of my refrigerator. Here it is, W105-94329. It looks identical to what I took out of my refrigerator. And the price is what I would have expected, $56.25. After tax and shipping, it was a few dollars more. I got it within 3 days, and I installed it in my refrigerator. Here's everything back together in my refrigerator. I did this 3 days ago. That's my freezer. That's my refrigerator. The temperatures have been rock steady, and you can hear there's no noise. I had kept the cover off for 3 days, make sure it was operating properly, and it seemed like it was. No noise, perfect temperature control, and I saved $250. Your choice if you want to make a change.